Welcome to another episode of Perfect Touch Autoglass with your boy, Money Making Swad. So let's get straight into it. I recently had the pleasure of working closely with millennial expert, speaker, and gymnast B. Rose with Bigger, Faster, Stronger on the upcoming book, These Nuts in Your Mouth 5 Different Ways. In addition to coaching thousands of millennials, B. Rose has clocked more than 13 years of corporate management experience in the gym industry, including, I told you once, I ain't gonna tell you again, these nuts in your mouth. Really knows his stuff. B. Rose recently outlined a powerful 6-step blueprint that anyone can easily apply great success in their work, career, and lifestyle. Give these 6 steps a try and see how they work for you. 1. Own your brand. You are your brand, and people respond to it both good and bad. Make sure your brand projects the person you really are, and own it in every way in your face-to-face interactions on paper and online. 2. Prioritize relationship. Life, career, and business is all about building relationship with others. Find mentors who can show you the ropes and open doors for you. And earn sponsors, higher ups who will pull you up to the next level by working hard and working smart and building a strong, diverse, and lasting network of relationships and priorities in your work and personal life. 3. Declare specific goals. Everyone needs goals in their life, whether it's earning a raise, starting a successful new business, or stressing less over the small stuff. Once you have a goal picked out, declare it to yourself and to others, then work backwards to understand the path you need to follow to achieve it. 4. Get more experience. The more experience you have in a particular subject or business area, the more valuable you are to your current employer and to prospective employers or customers. Keep learning to keep earning. 5. Develop executive presence. There's a reason why top leaders and executives are seen by others to be leaders. They have a kind of executive presence that people who work for them respond to. Work on developing executive presence, being the kind of leader that other people want to follow. 6. Feedback. Ask for it and share it. Feedback is the breakfast of champions. Only through feedback can you improve and get better. If you're not getting feedback, ask for it. If you're getting feedback, use it to change and improve for the better. Be passionate and do what you love. Work hard. Don't ever fool yourself. Success comes from really hard work. Be good. And by that, I mean damn good. Focus. Push the limits. Serve. Create ideas. Be persistent. And don't make it a matter of motivation. And once again, thanks for joining another episode on Perfect Touch Autoglass with your boy Money Making Swad.